Sun Joe SPX3001. As you can see, it's currently running. It was very easy to unbox, assemble. Only took 2 screws to make it functional and ready to use. So very easy. Great unit. Let me give you an example. I use Purple Power Deck and Fence wash in the bottle. Wash down the fence first with it. As you can see, the old green mold and slime. And the results. Does a great job on cleaning. I give it 2 thumbs up.
Tackle your toughest cleaning tasks and spray your way to a greener, cleaner yard and home with the Pressure Joe SPX3001 electric pressure washer from Sun Joe. Just squeeze Pressure Joe's trigger and blast your way through dirt, debris, mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it. You aim it. Grime is gone. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers up to 2,030 pounds per square inch to demolish every bit of dirt. Pump up to 1.76 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles for intense jet to gentle spray. Pressure Joe easily washes away stubborn gunk and grime. You name it, you aim it. Grime is gone. Clean efficiently with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Fill the onboard detergent tank to get even more dirt blasting power from porch to patio, siding, sidewalks, wooden decks, docks, lawn furniture, cars, trucks. Pressure Joe cleans them all. Equipped with a built-in hose reel, Pressure Joe makes it easy to wind its 20-foot hose for faster cleanup and neater storage. At only 32 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels effortlessly from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the power, performance, and versatility you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.